Give the finger. Meaning, make a rude hand gesture. He got cut off and gave the driver the finger. Don't give the finger, it's disrespectful. Lost for words. Meaning, don't know what to say. I was lost for words when I saw her. He was lost for words after the surprise. Don't sugarcoat it. Meaning, tell the truth even if it's harsh. I want the truth, don't sugarcoat it. Stop sugarcoating it and tell me what's really wrong. Don't push my buttons. Meaning, don't annoy or provoke me. You're really pushing my buttons right now. He always knows how to push her buttons and make her angry. Don't get fresh with me. Meaning, don't be rude or disrespectful. The kid tried to talk back, but the teacher said, "Don't get fresh with me." If you get fresh with her, she won't talk to you again. I got your 6. Meaning, I've got your back, I'll protect you. Don't worry, I got your 6 if anything goes wrong. In tough situations, true friends always say, "I got your 6. Have second thoughts. Meaning, start to doubt. I'm having second thoughts about the trip. She had second thoughts before saying yes. I'm beat. Meaning, I'm very tired. I'm beat after working all day. Let's go home, I'm totally beat. Stand in someone's shoes. Meaning, imagine being in their situation. Try standing in her shoes before judging her. If you stood in his shoes, you'd understand his anger. Can't stand. Meaning, strongly dislike. I can't stand people who chew loudly. She can't stand waiting in long lines. Like sardines in a can. Meaning, very crowded and tightly packed, no space to move. We sat like sardines in the tiny room. The elevator was so full, we felt like sardines in a can. Microwave relationship, a relationship that heats up fast but doesn't last. It was a microwave relationship, hot for a week, over the next. They moved in after one date. Total microwave relationship. Flexting. Texting someone just to show off or brag. He keeps sending gym selfies. That's just flexting. Stop flexting me your designer shoes. I'm not impressed. You are cooked. You're in big trouble or completely exhausted. You skipped class again? You're cooked when mom finds out. I'm cooked. I've been working since 5 a.m. Up top. A way to ask for a high five. You did it. Up top. That's what I'm talking about, up top, man. Pry into. Try to find out private things about others. Don't pry into her past, it's rude. He's always trying to pry into people's business. I dig. I really like or understand something or someone. I dig your new haircut. It suits you. I totally dig that song, it's fire. Stop snooping. Stop secretly looking for information that's not your business. Stop snooping around my room. It's private. He told his sister to stop snooping through his phone. On pins and needles. Meaning, very anxious while waiting. I was on pins and needles waiting for the results. She sat on pins and needles before her name was called. Dumbstruck. Meaning, so surprised or shocked that you can't speak. I was dumbstruck when I won the prize. She stood there, dumbstruck by the news.